want you to get yourself together and get back out there and get paper. Now, I don't care how long it takes you to get out there and get it.
So meron kami mission dito sa Singapore. Kasama ko si Eric. Gusto kami ng, syempre, ng pera. Ano pa nga ba? Ito pa rin yun. Gotta get that.
Ang daming tinanim, ngayon pwedeng pumitas. Shota mo lumapit pero di pumiligtas. Akala niya pwede siyang dumagdag sa aking mga post. Kaibigan ko ang pera ko, yun lang aking ka-close. Ginagawa ko yan everyday, walang
Alright, thank you ma'am.
Pinasok rap game, malinis pagka-finesse. Naglalakad ng kangite kasi
Welcome to Singapore, motherfucker.
Walang pwedeng magsabi sa akin ng uwi ka na. Hindi nila ko hawak, sila ang hawak ko. Dinis ng ibang rappers, ang lakas ng tawa ko. Walang pinirmahan, mga
Di ba siya mag-offer ng ano, yung kanto?
Kala ko kailangan ko dati pero hindi pala. Yeah, million peso move na pinatuloy ako. Pag yung lakad hindi pera.
Ang ano unang punta ko rito, nagdala ako ng hoodie. Puro hoodie ang pinang-photoshoot ko. Puta ina yan, laputan ako dun para.
Anong buwan?
Ay, here.
Hindi, anong buwan ka pumunta?
Season. Forgot eh.
Nakainitan niya.
Putang ina, wala. Please, Pogi. Sige, bomba, upload. Yan, wala. Dun na eh. Then your daughter been graduated by your work.
Wait, Singapore have to work, huh?
Yeah?
Singapore you work until die. Otherwise you got no income.
Yeah. They'll be hungry.
Yan ang istig nila eh.
You cannot stay.
Kaya dito walang ano rito eh.
As long as
Tambay.
you can work. Because every day in Singapore needs money.
Yeah. Lots of bills, tax to pay. Lots of bills and tax to pay.
Yeah, you're right.
Yeah, like the current money.
Singapore, you want to live comfortably, you have to work.
Yeah.
We have a normal double-decker or single-decker.
Yeah.
We call it a double-decker and
I
single.
go with the double deck so I can take a picture and take a video.
Can. Double deck and single deck now. You call that double deck. What number is that?
112.
Huh?
112.
112.
112.
112.
Yeah.
Can see that.
Yeah. We're here at Red Light District.
112 cannot see.
Oh, that's hotel.
Hindi sila naka-ano eh. Hindi nakasusunod kaya niya.
112 is 115.
Ito mo kami. Itong taxi kami asul. Nakita mo kami?
Hindi, ikot tayo. Pare.
Hindi pare. Ito yata yung puli. Puli yung bakal. Pati niya.
Hindi, ikot ko nito yung taxi sa kabila.
Ay, okay. Ano?
Last time I went here, kasama ko si Dog. The other TMP production. The Dog Rock, yeah. So we're here at Lord, Gaylan. Ito yung pinaka-ano nila, parang malate o parang pinaka Red Light District! Good morning! Time check. Almost 2 a.m. Ang ina oh. Kahit saan talaga, kasama ko itong hayop na to eh.
Siyempre, hindi pwede
Malupit
iwan.
yan, par! Wala pa yung password ng Pinoy, kantutan! Kantutan!